Picture us rolling in a roadshow. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy. Yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and I'm back with another video. So, as you can tell by the title, your girl is trying some pink hair. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. I was so scared to try this color, but again, I really wanted to try pink hair. Like I wanted to see like what the hype was about, you know. So I definitely hopped on the train. And this is actually the last hairstyle that I wore before I got sick. So I wasn't even able to like rock my hair and stuff like that as I wanted to, or take pictures. So this is literally the only evidence, I guess you can say, that I wore pink hair. And I'm so mad that I got sick because I was literally in bed throughout this entire time that I wore this wig. This video is sponsored by CURLYME Hair. They're kind enough to send me their 613 lace front wig, and this wig was their 26-inch, and I asked them to send me their 150 density because I don't know, when it comes to color hair, I feel as if it looks way more natural and more toned down if it's like a thinner lace frontal. I don't like that bulky look or that fullness when it comes to curly hair, colored hair, I'm sorry. So I definitely asked if they can send me a 150 density because I didn't want to look crazy, y'all. Like, I'm already trying pink hair, so I did not want to look as if I had like a wig on, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely wanted to do like a very natural look and stuff like that. All the vibes, you know. This is usually how I do all my hair sponsorship videos, and if this is something that you're interested in watching, just continue watching. And last but not least, you know, I gotta just hit y'all with the subscribe to your girl and join my family so you guys can stay updated with all my new videos. And I will leave everything down below with the hair information. Again, thank you CURLYME Hair for sponsoring this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you are the trigger. You brought me to an abstract view. When you know the picture was bigger, who was the kidding? From the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of my motherfucking right. Motherfucking right, I'm bitter. Motherfucking right, I'm triggered.
since the first day we met. There is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah, sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I'm just a mess with a flame for you.
Where it's born, my man Double Rashid, yeah, Brandy, indeed, Mr. Smith got the leg,
How can one be down? Tell me where to start, cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. Gonna do, yeah. I'm honest for you, baby, baby. I'm just a mess with a flame. You know I pray that you live this in my happiness. Turn my heart around. It's gonna make it round. Oh, tell me what is I need to know. Tell me if I'm falling or if I'm getting close. Cool, baby, baby. I must confess, I'm a mess for you, boy. Oh, yeah. I'm just a mess with a flame. You know I pray that you live this in my happiness. You turn my heart around. It's gonna make it round. Oh, tell me what is I need to know. Tell me if I'm far or if I'm getting close. Everything about you, I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, everything about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you. Sitting up in my room, everything about you. I must confess, I'm a mess
Check it
for
out.
you. Sitting up in my room,
Brandy,
everything about you. I'm just a mess with